gonna have to give you a bath.
Did not sound like that at all.
We're gonna have to give you a bath.
Yes, sir. Close up.
If you flash that space right now, you're evil.
Yo, we should have definitely done scoops of this, not
Yeah,
a whole
exactly. I was gonna say, what a waste of yogurt.
I mean, I'm sure we can just leave some outside for the rest of the cats. But damn.
Those white cats are mean.
Why?
Didn't you see how mean? Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Hi. This is Fafi. Elise made up the name. It's actually Falafel, but Fafi for short.
Why not shawarma?
Let's just look at it this way. The white cats are mean, and every time they get food, they don't share with Shmil Shmil.